Buhay ko, trabaho, tagumpay, tawanan at tulungan. Ito ang Buhay Ireland Podcast! Let's go! Buhay Ireland, lakas ng kabayan. Trabahong tutot o di lang harap-harapan. Driver, nurse, pati construction, factory, office, taas no sa action. Buhay on ay may gabay ka rito. Sa hiring negosyo, di ka nag-iisa, bro. Kainan, inuman, kwento ng tagumpay. Boses ng Pinoy, tuloy lang ang buhay. Kahit malayo sa Pinas ang paa, puso ng Pinoy ay nandito pa rin.
Hello guys, kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Kamusta mga pare natin dyan ng Buhay Ireland, mga followers natin, kamusta na lahat kayo dyan? So today guys, we have a special day, special night dito ngayon sa Ireland kasi meron tayong preparation. Magandang topic dahil ito yung inaabangan ng lahat since last 2 months yata to, yung Battle of the Band, Pinoy Battle of the Bands. So this time, sino ba ang mga nasa likod ng Battle of the Bands? Sino ba ang mga taong nagbigay buhay ulit dito sa mga Pinoy na nangangarap na ipakita yung mga talent? Puntahin natin yung isa sa mga talagang highlights din ng Battle of the Bands, yung ating judge and surprise. Hindi siya surprise, special guest na siya kumbaga, na si Kichi Nadal. So, bago natin papasukin yung ating mga guests, okay, dalawa to. Gusto ko muna kamustahin yung mga nagpa-shoutout. Brian Surla, yeah, pa-shoutout daw. And then yung Pinoy Cup holder, yun, yung mga kaibigan natin. At yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Ireland at around the world na nagpapa-shoutout at lagi nakafollow sa Buhay Ireland. So yun. So huwag na natin patagalin. Papasukin na natin. Siyempre, unahin ko na ang ating kaibigan na matalik na kaibigan na matagal na natin itong, alam na natin to, Mel G Production, behind the Mel G Production, Adrian and Mel. And of course, we have our Guardians Ireland na si Kuya Saldi. So guys, welcome.
Hello. Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi. Adrian ako from LG Production.
Yun. Kuya Saldi ng Guardians.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Lahat sa buong mundo. Ako po si Rizaldi Amit, the national founder of the Guardians Brotherhood Ireland. Ang pseudonym ko ay Solomon. So, ang Guardians Brotherhood Ireland is a non-profit, a non-stock, a non-sector organization. And our mission is to deliver quality service to our respective community. And our mission, our vision is to be the leading organization that promotes nationalism, patriotism, and service-oriented.
Yun. Ganda na introduction ni Kuya Saldi. Buong-buo yun, ha? Kaya kilala nyo na ang Guardian. Okay. Before we start dun sa main topic natin, which is yung Pinoy Battle of the Band, I'll go first with Melja Production with Adrian. So how did Melja Media Production start this kind of project para dito sa Pinoy Battle of the Band?
It's actually a long story pero try ko lang compress in a brief So nag-start siya kasi my wife, si Melissa, she's the one very passionate about singing. So when she was young, she's always into singing and performance asamis, and she's been involved to numerous competitions. So, and fast forward coming to Ireland, so parang kumbaga sabi niya past na yung prime niya, so she wants to pass the torch. So nagsimula kami is because we got a friend recommended us to bring Jessica Sanchez. Yeah, that's right. Yung Jessica Sanchez, yung una po siya sa American Idol. We brought her to Ireland to perform. So doon nagsimula yung Melji Production. And then since then, we went on to kind of doing other activities and events. And then we nagbuo rin kami ng banda, ng teens group. And then now, fast forward now, we're bringing Kichi Nadal, one of the biggest OPM artists in the Philippines. So she's coming to Dublin for the first time.
Ayun. So maganda rin yung start pala ng Melja Production with your yung number one sa mga sa America ngayon, si Jessica. Tama, Jessica ba? Tama ba?
Jessica Sanchez.
Jessica Sanchez, which kilalang nanalo yan. So, next question ko sa iyo, Adrian. What inspired you to form Pinoy Battle of the Band then? Baka. Bukod dun sa sinabi mo, ano yung etong event na to? Ano bang meron dito at paano ito yung inisip nyo ngayon?
Like actually, kasi matagal na namin like Kuya Rizaldi and Guardians and us. Tagal na namin pinag-usapan na we should do something, a project in the community. And then I said, tagal namin what we do, hindi lang nagtatagpo yung yung artist kung sino ba dadali namin, kung saan ba yung venue, and then now talagang sabi, you know what, like parang yung ibang countries were able to do these activities. Sabi ko, why not let's kickstart it again. Kasi ang dami ng bagong Pilipino dito na na-miss yung ganito, yung parang banding, tambayan, ganon. So sabi ko, let's do it this year. Parang wala nang plan, let's just go, brainstorm, and then yun nga, nabuo ito. Tapos, and then Kuya Zaldi and his team, meron na silang agad established team. So we just need extra help. So Melissa's behind the parang yung getting the artists and logistics, etc. And then sila Kuya Zaldi, the manpower and the part of the brains din. Kasi sila rin they know about, they've been involved in numerous activities in Ireland.
Yun, ganda pala. So, Kuya Zadi, I will talk to you about your collaboration with Melgy later on. Unahin naman para makuha natin yung side mo, para i-continue natin yung Melgy production muna. So how did you come up naman? Parang alam ko si Jessica ang nag-influence sa inyo sa Melgy. How this come up yung si Kitchen Nadal? Alam ko na sabi mo rin kay Kuya Saldi and yung team niya. So for you guys, paano mo nalaman na si Kitchen Nadal yung isa sa mga artist na pwede nyo dalhin dito?
Kasi we've been mostly kasi si Melissa, siya yung involved sa mga ganitong getting to know artists and managers. So we've been to numerous events kasi sa UK and other parts of Europe, like ASAP. We able to meet some managers and artists while we were there. So, siyempre, kada punta namin doon, we get to know and then build rapport sa mga managers and mga artists. And we came across Kitchen Nadal and our management team. So doon namin na-establish na, and then we realized she's only in Madrid. So, she's in Europe already. So, it's easy for her to travel from Madrid to Dublin to perform. Kasi, ang lapit na kumbaga, neighbor lang natin halos. So, it's perfect. It's perfect. So I said, and then she was interested. Then so that's what we said. Okay, perfect. It's a perfect tandem. She's in Europe, and then she's interested, and then we have the manpower, and we have the capacity, and we have the experience. So let's do it. So and then that's where it started.
Oh, yun. Talaga parang sumakto ba? Kumbaga, yung panahon na ito nagsama-sama kayo, both team together, and then plus Kitchen na nasa Madrid. So everything goes well so far, di ba? So tuloy-tuloy na to.
And kina-add lang, kasi ang dami na rin Pilipino dito, and ang dami na rin upcoming young bands, mga bagong Pilipino, and even matagal ng Pilipino dito. May mga banda na established, magagaling ang mga Pilipino, ang daming artists dito talaga. They just parang, Melissa decides, so why not parang get them, give them a limelight, give them the chance or an opportunity, a platform for them to showcase their talent. So doon naisip namin, like, Pinoy Battle the Bands, promote the Filipino artists, plus on cherry on the top, we'll get Kitchen Nadal as final performance and the judge at the same time.
Yun. So, ang ganda talaga. Ngayon nga, nasabi mo rin kanina, yung tambayan. Kasi kulang talaga ng tambayan. Kasi more likely, ang lahat kasi ng tao dito, after work, bahay lang, family, and anyway, mga sports yun lang. Pero, this time, you want to involve yung ibang artist din, syempre, which is starting with the band. Okay, starting with the band, total nasabi mo yung band. So, how many bands yung magpa-perform or maglalaban-laban for this coming Friday?
There's 5 bands joining. So, Choi, hope I'm pronouncing them correctly. Choi, Very Nice, Box Chord, Proof Juice. I forgot the one in Belfast. I don't have the list, but I'll come up with it. I'll send the name shortly. But I forgot, there's the Belfast and there's a band from Shannon. So they're the ones competing. So like even Belfast will travel all the way to Dublin just to perform for this Battle of the Bands.
Yung preparation talaga nila, more likely, talagang todo-todo this time, no? Dire-diretso yung kanilang practice, for sure. And yung kahit malayo.
Every weekend practice na.
Oo, yun.
Every weekend they're practicing.
So, marami palang i-expect ang mga Pilipino na pupunta this coming Friday na hindi lang sila yung parang normal na ban. Talagang pinagtuunan nila ng pansin ko ba, kumbaga itong preparation na ginagawa din ng MLG and The Guardian. Okay, siguro I'll just go and jump to Kuya Saldi. Guardians, ano po ang support and anong gagawin ng Guardian for this event po?
Anyway, in the first place, ang Guardians we're so ambitious to one of the producers with Mel G Media Production. Well, we started before in every Filipino event so far. Sa amin yung sa aming mission is to deliver quality service to our respective community. So we started siguro sa 2005 or 2004 yung mga Independence Day Committee community yung nag-organize noon. Nandiyan na kami yung sa peacekeeping. May mga artista doon, nandiyan kami we are the close-in security sa mga artista. Sabi ko, why not we step up this time to produce such event? Because ito yung namin ito yung nakita namin. So, gusto namin yung mga Pilipino magka-unite in one sitting, in one culture. So, kung sasabihin natin na ang Filipino cannot be united by political means, cannot be united by religious means. But I believe we can be united in our culture of music and arts. So dito na yung dito yung ang inspiration namin kasi it will drive to our mission and vision. So kaya nga si Mel because si Mel at saka sila Adrian palagi kami sa community. Yun ang yung passion. Nandiyan kami sa community palagi. Especially with the Kildare Filipino community. So, nandiyan, nabuo nagkaisa yung plano namin. We just share with our plans with the MLG. And the MLG say, we will try. We have to make this project on.
So ganda pa. So may background na pala kayo since pa noon na kayo talaga yung mga more likely nag-handle and you organize your own team to be prepared and makasama sa lahat ng event na meron pala dito sa Ireland. So good to hear that. Na kasi totoo lang po, marami pong pumupunta sa mga event miski po dati pero they don't know kung sino may mga taong nasa likod nito, and then you never really bring out your name. More likely it's just like you're there to help and be with part of the Filipino community, which is yung susunod kong tanong na it's very good advocacy yung ganon na meron pong mga katulad nyo na organized team, and this time you said you gotta step up. So preparation nyo, Kuya Saldi, how big this is now, and paano yung team na meron kayo? Paano bang step up ang sinasabi nyo ngayon?
Well, actually, before it happens, before kami to collaborate or to partnership with the MLG,
yes.
Nagplano na kami yung mga Guardians.
Oh, man.
That's why I said you have to step up, you have to make a big event so far as a promotion for our mission and vision, as a promotion for our organization. So, alam namin ni si MLG may malaking karanasan doon sa production thing. So, kaya nga lumalapit kami sa kanila. Lumapit kami MLG din.
So, sila yung una
nag-turn on yung plano namin.
Yung plano. So, sila ba yung una talaga yung naisip na with collaboration with MLG Production, this kind of event na nawala. So sobrang tagal na yung Battle of the Bands at yung mga, kumbaga, iba-ibang mga gantong event na wala na dito sa Ireland. Na naisip nyo this time, sila yung tamang person, sila yung tamang team na magdadala at tutulong sa atin na both side is makukuha yung kanilang vision for this aming mga darating pang event.
Exactly. Ganun yan kasi alam na si Mel may experience at saka alam na yung pag-conceptualize sa mga events, alam ni Mel. So, diyan lang kami behind with Mel. And we support financially as a producer and Manpower.
So yun yung ginawa ng Melju. So sila yung nakita nyo talaga. And for this coming event, Kuya Saldi, okay, medyo big event to, kumbaga. Ito kasi first time ulit natin, yung pressure na ngayon pala nararamdaman ko na yung pressure from both of yous na pinaghahanda.
Pressure talaga.
Oo, 'di ba? Since day one na ano nyo to na nagawa ng plan up to now, then yung mga mga banda. And ito pa si Kichi. So, ano po maaasahan namin pag dumating si Kichi Nadal dito? Kasi for the people lang nandito sa Ireland, okay? Just to clarify, this is Pinoy Battle of the Band, okay? Hindi ito para kay Kichi as a concert. Kichi Nadal concert. It's more likely we're into the band. Kasi yung focus natin, yung band, na ma-highlight yung
community, Philippine community, yeah.
Mga local band na meron tayo sa Ireland. Yun nga, sabi ni Adrian, icing on the top na lang si Kichi Nadal na nakuha. So, yung pagdating ni Kichi Nadal, gano'n nakalaki yung expectation? Anong plan both of you para ma-deliver at maibigay kay Kichi Nadal at sa banda yung kailangan nila?
Sino? Kuya Santi o ako?
Ikaw na. Ikaw muna.
So, well, ako actually, like I said, si Melissa lang behind for all the, yung conceptualizing and planning. So, kami, kumbaga, we add to the brainstorming. Pero, Kichi Nadal is first time in Europe. Actually, she's just in Madrid, pero hindi pa siya nakakarating ng Ireland. So what she've heard and what she researched about Ireland, ang daming artists mga sikat na musician na sumikat na sa Ireland. And then she's a big fan of the Cranberries. And when she found out that she's coming to a country where Cranberries were born, she's excited. And now, on top of that one, we have a sold-out ticket. It's the first project within Guardians and I, pero we're blown away. Sold out. Teach is excited. We're excited. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be big.
Yeah, it's a good news. It's a good news na na-sold out to kasi hindi natin in-expect lahat na magiging big time pala to. At ito on top ng sinabi mo, Adrian, napakamura ng ticket para sa akin. I think that's very cheap ticket para makita both mga performance.
We're not trying to come up with a big profit. Try namin is something na everyone can enjoy, afford ng everyone, ng masa na kahit sabihin mong you're only a part-time worker, you can afford it. Kasi no point charging people so much and then parang, pero pag nakita nila how big the show is, we want everyone just to have fun. That's all.
So, it's good news din kasi bukod kay Kichi Nadal as a judge, sino pa yung susunod na, sino pa yung mga katabi niyang judge, kumbaga?
Another judge is si Hill, which a manager siya ng yung Filipino festival sa Madrid. So he'll be coming over to join Kichi. And the other one is the executive or siya yung the person behind the Filipino movies in Ireland sa yung tawag ito, yung TFC. Yung mga movies you see, yung Meet, Greet and Buy, sila yung nagdadala ng mga movies dito sa Ireland and UK. She's one of the judge, and then those are the judges, and then actually one of the sponsors will be the judge too.
Ayun. Bukod buti nasabi mo sponsor. So maraming sponsors din na nag-back up sa gantong event na to, no?
Yeah. Can I just take the opportunity to thank the sponsors very much? Without their support, this will not happen. So, Filipino Bakery, thank you very much. Kay Kuya Edward and his team. Dasco Deli is Carlos and Gwen Dasco. And then Eden Cafe, si Ate Shen. Hello, thank you very much. And then Brian Sorla, Top Send, and of course Boy Ireland, lagi nandyan sa is always there, and Caldero, and then Galway Galway community, they're gonna travel all the way to Galway to come watch the show. Waterford, Wexford community, Ilocano community, and a lot more communities. As in, nearly every community is involved and helping us. Pati yung my own community, which is Triskelion, Ireland, is part helping us out altogether. Tulong-tulong talaga. Hindi lang to isang Guardians and Melgy lang. Everyone's involved. Yeah.
Mm-mm. So Kuya Saldi naman. Kuya Saldi, how prefer are you na nalaman nyo na nag-sold out tayo dito sa event na to? How happy are you, or are you sad na sana dinamihan pa na pinalaki pa natin yung event?
Well, first talagang overwhelmed kami sa sa nangyari. We do not expect this much, pero nakita namin na epektibo yung promotion na ginagawa namin. So it's all a concept from Mel anyway. Kasi wala kami talagang mga experience doon. But we always behind with Mel. So ang sa akin lang maganda panoorin talaga to. And it's a first time for our production, but it is a big one and solid talaga to. Everybody will enjoy because and sabi mo pa Jerome na on top of it there is may icing tayo, nandiyan si Kitchen Nadal. So sulit na sulit, may 5 bands pa tayo at saka may Kitchen Nadal pa tayo. At saka ang sa amin ito pinag-usapan namin sa Melgy Production to. We are in non-profit organizations. So we're not profiting this. Kung paano may mga proceeds dito na makukuha namin, we will prepare all these proceeds for the next big event, Filipino Festival next year.
Ayun, so may aasahan tayo coming from Kuya Saldi pala for next year.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko surprise, hindi pala. Ngayon na.
Appetizer pa lang.
Appetizer, so there's more pala na mga mangyayari bukod sa kitchen. Ubaga, starter pa lang to na
totoo yan, starter.
ng lahat. Kuya Saldi, may abangan ba kami na performance from The Guardian?
Pwede.
Parang meron yata eh. May kakanta ba sa inyo o sasayaw sa inyo? Wala pa.
Yung mga Guardians, kami yung yung pinaka-role namin dyan, we are helping for the we are more on the stuff for peace and order and the organizations. So, yan ang namin talaga.
Expect niyo. So nga pala, before we almost finish this naman then, before we end this, there will be a special performance from the different Pinoy here in Ireland, or just straight to Battle of the Bands and Kichi?
Sagutin mo yan. Actually we have other special guests. Actually, I'm blown away with the amount of galing na artists na discover namin. At iba, actually some of them are our friends na rin sa community. So they're excited. Like, can I give them a shout out then?
Of course, yes.
So,
surprise ba to? Surprise ba to dapat or hindi naman?
Hindi, nasa poster naman yung mga pins saka yung picture nila. So, I hope I remember everyone. So, big shout out kay JNC, si Jonah and her friend. Forgot. Sorry, so I hope I can remember the name. Sila ang magiging first opening act. And there's Lloyd Roldan, si aka Dot, which is famous sa Europe din. He's performed sa Milan a few times for rap battle. Tapos si Nergin of Galway community will be performing. And Kevin from Cork is actually a new Filipino. He's very good. And then Fiona is a well-known singer in the community. She's performing The Voice Kids UK and Germany. She's will be the final act. And then there's a lot more. Like ang dami sa community. So how ba na si Nergin, and then Queenie from Killarney. She's gonna travel all the way from Killarney. Expect big things from all these artists. So like what Kichi will be blown away with the talent we have. Surprise for her.
Ayun, ang dami pala, no? Do we have time to finish all of this? Kasi ini-expect ko lang talaga, battle lang eh. Pork ang dami ang kakanta.
First of all, kulang nga sana nga bigger venue daw kami kasi ang dami pang naghahanap ng tickets din eh. But anyway, keep posted lang dito sa Boy Ireland. You'll get the updates for the next event. Tapos and then same time yung banda pa like plus Kichi, so in a span of maybe 6-7 hours try namin lahat to everyone have a good time. So but I mean everyone just lang sit down and relax, you'll enjoy. Basta may si Mel have everything planned up na so.
So yun, mag-enjoy, tama naman, mag-enjoy. After ng work, kumain, tumambay, makipagsaya sa mga ibang Pilipino natin kababayan, and then makikita. Oh, yun talaga yung aim, yun yung goal for that night. November 7, guys, Battle of the Band, Pinoy Battle of the Band with Kichi Nadal, special guest natin at judge, sa Bernard Show. And one question na lang sa inyo guys, after para kay Kichi Nadal, is she gonna perform? Para sa mga nanonood, nag-aabang to eh.
Of course, magpe-perform siya ng isang oras.
Talaga isang oras?
Talagang isang oras. Yan ang pinirmahan sa kontrata niya eh.
Wow. Kasi ang expected ko lang talaga, few song. Kasi as a judge and ano lang siya as judge and special guest to be there. Pero kung one song, 1 hour, that will be like a full concert din pala.
Kaya sabi ko nga, sulit na sulit ito. Yan ang abangan.
Lahat ng mga kumuha ng ticket talaga, you will enjoy this. Honestly, from Battle of the Bands and the artist, local artist natin sa Ireland, and as Kichi Nadal, it's well worth it.
Oh, well, yun pala, yun, narinig nyo guys. Sa mga kumuha ng ticket, panalo kayo kasi hindi lang Pinoy Battle of the Band.
Thank you, Bayad. Thank you sa lahat ng kumuha ng ticket. Thank you.
Oo, thank you so much sa lahat ng kumuha ng ticket. Na-sold out tayo with the special performance ng mga local Irish Filipino na kakanta doon. And then plus, 1 hour from Kichi Nadal itself. So, panalo, kulang yung 25. Sinasabi ko, 25 napakamura eh. Tapos, malit na event pa lang to. Yung Bernard Show is sobrang 600 capacity lang tayo, Adrian, tama?
Yes.
Ang kaya i-handle. Okay, so kung mas malaki pa sana yung venue, which is maybe hopefully next time, baka mas marami pa tayong ma-accommodate kasi marami naghahanap, which is wala na talaga tayong sold out na talaga both Eventbrite, sa mga nagbebenta na distributor, wala na talaga. Pero bumawi kayo sa susunod na lang siguro. Baka may masasabi ni Kuya Saldi, meron pang susunod. So asahan namin yung Kuya Saldi from The Guardians, Ireland, and sa Medyo Production. And then, last question sa inyo guys. Pakisabi sa mga tao kung ano yung gagawin nila pag dumating doon. Kaya anong oras yung opening ng door? Ano bang gagawin ng mga tao para ready sila?
Kayo na, Adrian.
So everyone, just make sure pag yung mga they're gonna come to the concert, make sure they have your physical ticket kasi we will need that to mark. Hindi pwede yung galing sa photo picture lang ng phone mo na nandun yung ticket kasi we need the actual physical ticket, so we'll be strict with that one because kasi merong mga baka members of the public na let's say gusto lang mag-shop sa door pero walang ticket. But try to arrive early kasi it's gonna be traffic. Kasi kung mga magdadrive, mahirap yung parking dun. And then advisable is take public transport kasi mahirap ang parking. And then expect mahabang pila siguro kasi we'll be trying to accommodate 600 in a venue like this. It'll be And then siguro wrap up kasi baka it might be cold. Wrap up. And then, first of all, try to parang prepare to sing along with Kichi. Kasi kung she will ask us to join her in singing her songs. So, and then have fun.
Sa lahat ng mga band na kakanta, alam nyo yung mga kanta na yung mga OPM and may mga original song din sila for sure. So, pagandaan nyo, makikanta lang. Basta magsaya lang tayo para tayo nagkakaraoke kumbaga sa bahay, di ba? But this time, in the big picture tayo, lahat tayo magsasama-sama sa isang bubong. So, thank you so much, Adrian from Medyo Production and Kuya Saldi from The Guardians Ireland. Before we close this up, any shout out, guys?
Shout out din pala sa Kildare Filipino community. So, apart from Quezaldi kasi there's no other group or community that we'd be more humble to collaborate with Guardians. Kasi like hindi lang kami kumbaga as co-producer and we're kumbaga friends na we're friends. We're all friends even before. So talagang sabi ko, we trust them fully and then we appreciate that they trust us fully then. So that when that friendship that we built became then became what you call this became like parang family na kami. Hindi lang kami basta partner dito, family na kami together.
Yun.
So and then lalo pati yung mga other communities involved. Thank you. So other communities, you know yourself. Sorry kung di ko na maalala iba, but the Galway, the Waterford, the Wexford, the Ilocano group, lahat as in and the Triskelion. And thank you very much, guys. Without you guys and Jerome, then without you guys, this will not be possible.
Kuya Shalvi, any shout
At
out?
saka shout out din sa lahat ng bumibili ng ticket. Yung nagtitiwala sa production namin.
Yun.
So, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta.
Yun. Number 1 yan. Ayun lang, Kuya Saldi. Wala lang siya shoutout from the Guardian.
Nandiyan sila palagi. Shoutout pala sa lahat ng mga Guardian sa Galway chapter. May Galway chapter kami. May nandiyan sa Limerick chapter at saka kami dito sa Kildare chapter. At saka kami doon din sa Dublin chapter kami. So, ako yung naging national founder na ngayon. So, ako yung nagbibigay ng bagong vision sa kanila paano tayo, we have to step up, no?
Yan.
So, yan lang, oh. So, maraming salamat.
Sorry, shoutout din pala sa mga Taugama Triskelion. Ako ang current president ngayon ng Taugama sa Ireland. So, shoutout to all my brothers. And not just in Ireland, including Philippines and Europe and all over the world. Thank you. You guys have been so supportive din sa akin. Thank you so much. So, and hopefully, so like I said, this is only the beginning. And then keep supporting us, keep supporting the page, Boy Ireland. Basta like kumbaga, we're not just kumbaga producers. We're here to help the community. So kung may, like if you guys need something, pwede rin kayo mag-ask namin privately, message Guardians, message Melgy. We're not just kumbaga event organizers. We help the community rin. Ang daming naming project ginagawa ni Kuya Zaldi to help the community, like Santo Niño, Simbang Gabi. That's all part of our community projects.
Yun. Nice to hear that kind of community na hindi lang pag may mga event lang kayo nagpapakita, you are there all the time sa kung ano man. Kaya nga sinasabi ko Kuya Saldi kanina, behind the scene na parang this is the time na makilala din yung mga taong behind ng mga event na to. Kahit ayaw nyo magpakilala kasi you don't want to be famous or anything, it's just kumbaga ma-recognize yung mga hirap din nyo at yung mga ginagawa nyo para sa community, Filipino community natin dito. And before I end this, I just wanna tell you guys kasi magpa-podcast kami talaga ng Guardians Ireland. Ihiwalay namin yung talagang full story ng Guardians para marinig nyo rin yung side ng The Guardians Ireland dito sa Ireland, di ba? So maraming po salamat both of you guys and hopefully I'll see you yung mga bumili ng ticket at manonood sa Battle of the Band this coming Friday. We hope to see you guys there. Boy Ireland will be there. We'll be doing a little live podcast and sana makausap namin kayo. Huwag kayong mahiya sa camera kasi makikita kayo, lahat tayo doon makikita kung sino kayo, mag-shoutout kayo. Kumbaga kung ano man yung gusto nyong gawin, we'll be there to accommodate everybody and we will help itong event na to din sa araw na yon. So makita-kita lahat tayo doon guys and hopefully hindi to last na pagkikita nating lahat. There will be more interview or ganitong klaseng podcast sa mga darating pang event kasama ang Melgy and ang Guardians Ireland. So yun. Maraming salamat po sa inyong
forgot pala, shoutout din pala sa I forgot to mention Club Travel and P60 Band because they'll be backing up Kitchen Nadal for the concert. So thank you rin pala sa kanila. Kuya Marvin will be the host will be so you will bring life to the event. So Kuya Marvin is a very renowned host in Ireland. So, like something to look forward to. So.
Huwag mo lang siya pakantayin. Baka mamaya sila lang kumanta na.
Actually, he's a very good singer. So, pero He's happy to help us with
He's a good performer sa mga ganitong mga event, and very lively kumbaga si Kuya Marvin. So yun, shout out Kuya Marvin and Club Travel. So yun,
thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Di ko nakayanin sa gabing ito, and hopefully magkita-kita tayo. Sabi ko November 7, Bernard Show, at the door open at 6
p.m. Go 6. Gates open 6:30. Yes.
6:30. Bring your physical ticket, guys. Pag walang ticket, walang pasok. Pero may naman, 'di ba? Merong mga record naman ko sakali, 'di ba? Yung mga
may record naman ako, pero mas better advisable if you have the physical ticket itself. So ang lang pala, so if guys, sorry kung merong mang gustong, I'm just trying to save you the time. Kung wala na kayo nakuha ticket, wala talaga available ticket on site. Because I don't want you to travel far away and then turn out lang sa door walang ticket na available. Kasi talagang wala na pong ticket available. And we cannot extend or ask 1 or 2 extra kasi talagang strict po yung venue, 600 lang, that's it.
Oh yeah, so venue, wala nang ticket guys, all out na. And sa mga family na pupunta doon, please lang, huwag niyo idalhin yung mga bata kasi this is a pub. Just to make sure lang may iwan niyo yung mga bata kasi baka masayang yung oras yung pagdala niyo yung bata. We want to enjoy with the whole family, but not this time kasi siya, very strict yung pub na to na Bernard Show. Just bring adults lang po tayo, mo like the 18 and above yata. Kung tama ba ako, papapasukin natin doon. Guardian will be there in front of the door. They will accommodate you guys, okay? Be patient lang kasi alam ko malamig din sa labas. So, mahaba ang pila. Sabi na ni Adria, matraffic. But as much as possible, go there early para hindi kayo may stress. Kasi kami, nai-stress na ako. Ngayon pala, nakikita ko yung pressure. Kausap tong dalawan to. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin natin. Pero we will help each other to accommodate everybody, okay? Wag kayo, kasi mga Pilipino kasi medyo minsan may ang pasyensya, but
let's be patient lang kasi it's the first time we're gonna have 600 na so we'll get through it, basta sama-sama tayo. Lang tayo, a little bit of patience and understanding lang naman, but we will, but like basta ang kapalit, you will guys have a great time. Yun lang mapapangako sa inyo. So magiging malamig at magiging mahabang medyo pila, but magiging sulit naman. You'll enjoy it.
Yan guys. Maraming salamat ulit. At sa mga followers natin ng Buhay Ireland, keep following Buhay Ireland sa mga darating pang event. And please don't forget to follow, subscribe, like sa ating all social media para hindi kayo mahuli sa mga ganitong klaseng event kasi this is one of the best event na meron tayo this coming year. So, hopefully, we'll see you sa mga susunod nating event. And thank you so much and God bless. Bye.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Hey there, Buhay Ireland listeners. Are you enjoying our stories, laughter, and real talk about life abroad? If our podcast make your day a little brighter, you can now show your love and support in a simple way. Visit buymeacoffee.com/Buhay Ireland today. Whether it's a tip, donation, or even just one coffee, every little helps keep the mics on. Share more inspiring stories and connect our Filipino community here in Ireland and around the world. Thanks, guys.